again.
Like the paper mache.
Okay.
Like the شوية كأنها شوية. حطيت هذا. بس ما تحمل وايد ترى. اوكي. اتوقع ما ادري شنو يصير صراحة. بقول لك شيء جوك.
شنو؟
تقدري تحط بس لما نخلص الحين نجرب. جربي واحنا نسوي العجينة نحط تقدري تحطين اوراق. صدق؟ والله سوت.
اوراق
ايه تصير مدخله بالالوان. انا تو شفت الصفر قلت راح يطلع حلو.
تعالي عندنا شيء ثاني حقها.
نعطيها
ورود الاجماع.
انا قلت لها بشكل عام اتوقع عادي.
اعطيها اقصد هذه الياهل هذا.
اي عادي بس قولي لها عادي.
Come here, Sila.
Is it okay if she messes her hand? I have
No,
gloves.
it's okay,
Gloves.
cool. She
Okay.
just loves
And
it.
We have اسمها apron.
No,
she
no, no,
wants.
no, no.
Okay.
Adi.
تقدر تعطيهم الجديدة بس عندي عجينة ثانية
بتسوي فيهم؟
بخوة أكثر.
ايش بتسوي الجديد؟ قصدك
يعني يعني قصدي
خليها
عادي. If you want more, you can take. أنا بس بنزل.
Do a nice design with them. So now you were spraying water, right?
Yes.
But you don't have to all the time, just because it's
Dry.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. You have already put oil inside in the coffee powder. Okay.
Little of oil.
And then?
Because it's with the glue, it's too sticky.
Okay.
تعالي. متى نستخدم الاشكال؟ ها؟ متى نستخدم هذا؟ اقدر اخليها
إيه عادي.
Use. We can use it.
You can use
Make a
it.
nice shape what you want.
You want more?
No, I think it's hard for her.
Maybe she wants.
ترى شوي.
Yeah, she will. Let her try one.
Okay.
Try one.
واحد ثاني ناعم.
Hot.
نجيب طاولة ثانية لأن هذه أصلا انترست قوالب يعني صارت رئيسية.
It's Zaila. It's like a clay,
بس عادي لا ما
نحطها
كحد.
هني.
right, Mona?
Yes.
It's like a clay, right?
Yes, yes.
إيش رايك؟
اللي تبي.
Hard.
ما يخالف أخاف الاثنين الحين يخلصون
اوكي ان شاء الله.
يبون.
Oh.
شلون نشيلها لولو بالهذا؟
ها تبون
أنا
هذا
حطيت
قززونه فيه؟
There is already a blade, no? This is not a blade?
Yes.
تبين هذه البذور قززونه
Ah,
فيها؟
okay.
شوفي.
اي ممكن
اوكي. خلي عندك.
ان شاء الله. لا تضغط على الاخر.
القطة تشيلها؟
اي بس.
Yeah.
واو.
Wow. Shimmy.
بالضبط. It's more of the regular dough than the
Clay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's more of a dough.
Wow. It's I never knew with coffee you can do. You know, she asked me why all expired tea coffee. I said maybe they recycle and put it as fertilizers
Yeah,
and
they do.
they do that also.
I like art, so I took a workshop to do this.
Wow. And there she saw, you know, with coffee cups or something, you all made a design. It looks good for her.
ذهبنا لك العصي.
Do something else, Zayla, huh? Do you all, we pay you all for this?
أحمد
Mona, we pay you all for this?
No.
Sure.
We volunteer.
That's it? You're also in the family?
Yes.
This is all in the family?
Yeah. All of it. All of it.
So, Miss Munira, she's great grandmother of some kids.
Yes.
So, your grandmother also?
No, not my grandma.
And then, mother?
No. We are like.
All in the family, volunteers, okay. No, Zayla, I think there is already a blade, no? Remove that thing, no?
there's no blade in this.
No, but it's like a cutter, I think, right? Wow. So I don't need to buy clay now, khalas. They are spoiling the clay and then finish. It's over. You bring one box and it gets dried up, I throw it. This is natural actually.
Yeah.
Wow, see Zayla, she's like as if they are making roti. Wow. It's nice.
صغير زقت.
ايه تلزق.
شلون
صح ابوي سوري نسيت. عندي قهوة. لازم تنثرين قهوة نسيت.
No, they have made the dough and kept.
Okay. She will bring another coffee to remove this because it's too hard.
You
to
can,
remove
okay.
it. If you put some coffee
Okay.
But now she will gonna bring it. You want to try again?
Yeah.
And see how we gonna do it?
Mona, give her another shape, nice one.
She will gonna return this one again
Yes, yes, of course.
to show her how to remove it in the coffee.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, this one. This one, right?
Yeah.
Put hard.
Press it hard.
No, cut.
Mona, don't you think it's just to remove this way, it's better?
No.
You sure?
For me?
See?
Oh yeah. So
Because I do it with the clay,
yeah, but if she want to do more job,
Wait.
and then you just do like this, I think it will come.
No, wait.
Huh?
Wait.
let her do it.
Zaila is doing. You know, Zaila was asking all this time, what do they do with the coffee? I told her they use maybe as fertilizer, but you know, they have opened a workshop here. Like clay, they do it.
انا تحطي له زياده سمك.
لا لا يصير
You want to try?
Stick something in over.
Want to try? See how they remove it. See?
it's like regular dough. That's why.
Yeah, regular, yeah.
Yeah.
So you put the powder,
Instead of adding
like the
flour,
way we make chapati, roti.
Now if you want to remove it, it's gonna be more easy. ايه لاحظتي؟
هذه طاوله ثانيه اذا صار
أبلغها؟
عندنا وايد ناس
إذا ما تستحي.